Hello, we are finally at the part in this class where we're going to take our website and publish it to the web. As you can see right now, I'm on my personal website. My URL is www.santel.net/dgiblin/index.html. Index because that's my home page. If you would take this and put yours, you would come up with the same page. I'm going to show you how to take the website you are creating. I'm just going to use the gallery. I want you to use your home page for your business site. I completely understand that your home page is probably not what it's going to be when you turn in your final project, and that's fine. It can be changed. I just want to make sure you can get that up to the web. So even if it has your business name and it says under construction, that's fine. Make sure you create that in your Dreamweaver, save it as index.html, and make sure it's in the correct folder. Going to folders really quick, I have mine all in a web folder. Then I created a business site folder. Inside the business site, I just put the whole gallery that we've been working on. But you will make sure you have any pictures that you use for your website, all of the pages that you're going to link in your website, and of course your index are all in this folder. Now, I'm going to show you the steps you're going to take to upload your site to the web. So right now we are on, I'm on my gallery site. If you notice in the right hand corner, we've got the Files tab, and we've got what looks like a plugin, a refresh, a get files, and a put files. I'm ready to put these files onto the web. So to do so, I'm going to click that blue up arrow, and it's going to ask me if I want to define my site, which I do. I'm going to click the plus sign to add this site to the information. Now, inside of my MTI, you also have a sheet that looks like this with your directions. I'm going to take and put this information. J. Nicholas is Janet Nicholas. You've had her in classes before, but this will have your name. So for me, I'm going to put D. Giblin. But you can refer back to this page when you're filling out this information. We're going to, the server name is Santel. Oh my gosh, if I could type. We're going to connect using FTP. The FTP address is ftp.santel.net. My username is first initial, D. Giblin. So yours will be your first initial and then your last name. Everybody's password is design 2013. And I'm going to test it just to make sure it connects to a web server. And it does, hopefully. If not, let me know. The root directory is public_HTML. And then the web URL is going to be http://ftp.santel.net. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Save. And it'll say the cache will now be recreated. And yours might say this, might not. I've done it a few times, so mine's got some different things going on. And saying, are you sure you want to put the entire site? I'm going to click OK, and it's going to start going and putting files up there. Yours might go quicker, it might go slower. It kind of depends on how big your site is. I'm going to go back to my original URL. I'm going to refresh, and now my site's up. Actually pretty easy. I'm going to show you. I can also go ahead and look at it. If I look right here on the expand, I like the expand because I could go in and I can rename things. I can delete things. Like for instance, maybe I didn't want this page anymore. I could delete it. I could see the size. We talk when we're creating the web, you don't want huge. You guys don't have a huge free site through Santel. So if you don't compress your pictures, your space is going to run up really quick. And that's probably one of the first things I'll do. I'll come and look here and make sure things aren't too big if you're having problems. Now, if you're having problems getting this set and you've watched this video and checked on things, you might need to do a GoToMeeting with me and we'll have to take a peek. And those are some of the things I'll look at. If I've created my site definition and it's still not working, I could go to Site and Manage Site. And I'm going to look at the gallery site. And so I double click there and I can see my information. If maybe I had an error, that's one of the things I'll look at for you. Now I'm in Dreamweaver, and let's say right here, welcome. I'm just going to show you how I could make a change. Welcome Deb, okay? Go ahead and save it. And I'm going to put that new file up. Are you sure you want to put the entire file or site? Yep. I'm going to go to the web, make sure, what page was that on? I think I was on the home page, yep. Then I'm going to go back to my web and I'm going to refresh. Notice it says Welcome Deb. So after you put up your initial page, and like I said, your initial index HTML business page may or may not be the actual one that you are going to submit to be graded. I'm not grading really on what that site looks like. I'm grading that you successfully got it to your URL. So when I type in and just change and put in your name right here instead of mine, and then I refresh, I should see your site. So once you've done this in my MTI, just type in your URL or copy and paste it and upload that to the assignment so I can grade it. Again, you might have problems uploading for one reason or another. Let me know. We'll do a GoToMeeting and we should be able to get you taken care of in about 5 minutes. I hope everybody enjoys putting their site to the web. Remember, make sure your folder structure is correct. You have your web design folder, wherever it is. Inside of it, you have your business site. Inside your business site folder, you need to have everything you need for that folder. So as you add new pages, make sure you're saving it to that business site folder. I hope you have a good day and good luck.